How's it going, everybody? So it's Q here. Guys, I'm excited. It's 2022. I'd like to welcome you guys to the new year. Hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's and, hope you guys are being safe. And, I hope you guys are enjoying your 2022 so far. It's still it hasn't set in for me all the way yet. But yeah, we're here. So congrats to everybody who made it. Last year was tough. 2020 was even tougher, but hey, we're still here, so just wanted to take some time to talk to you guys. I guess before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that, man, you guys actually did it. Like, I didn't think that it would really be, I knew that it was possible, but I didn't really think that you guys would do it, but you did. And guys, you guys actually got me to my 500 goal by the end of the year. My goal was to hit 500 subs by the end of the year, and I knew it was kind of sort of like a long shot, but I didn't know if I'd be able to do it. I was hoping that I'd be able to do it. I guess I didn't believe but you guys showed me. So hey, I just want to say thank you guys so much, man, from the bottom of my heart. I don't know. I'm just putting these videos out, just giving you guys information, just talking to you guys honestly, and you guys are really showing a lot of love and support, man, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate it so much, guys. So yeah, man, I have a lot of stuff planned. I know I've been gone for about probably 10 days. I think it's been about 9 or 10 days. I just wanted to take some time to kind of just be around the fam and stuff, and honestly, there's kind of been a lot going on, but I feel good, and I'd just like to go ahead and, get straight into it, start the year off right. So, and you guys definitely get to see what I have planned for this year. Definitely excited to show you guys a lot of things and bring a lot of new stuff to the channel, and told myself that if I got 500 by the end of the year, that this year I would definitely try to take YouTube serious. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be trying to upload as consistently as I can. And yeah, as you can see, we're on Atlas Earth, and this is Atlas Earth post update. And I'm glad that I actually kind of waited a little bit. I wanted to kind of wait and give it time to kind of fill out the new update. And honestly, guys, the update is really nice. They're definitely moving in a good direction. As you can see, I'm at $8.65 now. So it's been about 9 or 10 days since my last video, and I guess you could say that within about a week and a half, I've made about $3 something, maybe $3.50, something like that. And you can also see that I have a couple of more parcels. Before, I think I had 133 or 134 or something. Now I have 136. As you can see, they have added the stacking feature to the boosts. I'm actually really feeling this. This is actually not bad. The stacking feature was a really good idea. This was something that I didn't even think about, but I think it's a really good feature because it allows you to get your boosts consistently throughout the day, and you can stack them. You can get up to 6 stacks. So most of the ads are about 30 seconds long, so 6 times 30 is like 180. So that's like what, 180 divided by 60, what's that, like 3 minutes or something? I don't know. Math is hard, but yeah, you can spend about 3 minutes and get your full 6 stacks, and it counts for 6 hours. That's pretty good, honestly. I don't know whose idea that was, to to be honest, but that was a pretty fire idea, I won't lie. So props Atlas Realty for that. Definitely love this new feature. Another new feature that they added was the ability to go to shop, and now you can get free Atlas bucks by watching ads. Okay, so I just watched my other ad, but I actually cut it out because I realized I had needed one more ad that I needed to watch. But I went on ahead and cut it out because I didn't want to get copyrighted or anything. I don't know if the ads are copyrighted or whatever, but yeah, basically you can kind of watch ads and you can just for each ad that you watch, you can earn 2 Atlas bucks. Now, to me, this isn't something that's crazy game changing, but it is a step in the right direction. This is definitely good because, in my previous videos, I stated that I would liked and wanted for there to be some kind of way to earn more Atlas bucks. And they basically allow you to do that. Now, as of right now, all you can really do is just watch ads, so it still doesn't feel like an actual game or anything, just kind of watching ads. But it's something, you know, it's a lot more than what it was before, and you can do this and kind of make money for free without having to put in a lot of investment, actually. And you know, I was actually able to get 100 Atlas bucks in a full day, so that's one free parcel that's worth $5, and that's pure profit. That's not an investment. So something that a lot of people have been talking a lot about and kind of not been liking is the fact that you're not making back your investment right now with Atlas Earth, you know. But just the simple fact that they've added this gives people an incentive. This actually does give people an incentive, just this alone, honestly. And I know they have a lot more planned, but just this alone literally gives people an incentive to download this app and get in here, you know, because at that point you actually are making free money. You know, like it's actually free at that point. So that's kind of nice, you know. Like I wouldn't say, like I said, I wouldn't say it's like the biggest game-changing thing ever, but as you can see, oh, excuse me, that was my phone. But as you guys can see, I'm at $8.65 now because this whole past week I've been on here now, you know. Before I wasn't on here because there was kind of nothing to really do, and on top of that, you couldn't cash out. Now I'm on here now, you know. So to be honest, guys, like I'm really loving how this game is going, and Atlas Realty really love how you guys are listening and engaging in the community. This is good stuff, you know. I feel like it can only go up from here at this point, as long, you know, with the team like Atlas Realty that's very active with the community. Once again, I'm always checking out their Instagram nowadays. There's a lot of questions and answers, and they engage so well, honestly. You know, this is good stuff. This is promising, and it makes me excited, honestly. I mean, we still don't even have auctions yet. We don't have these yet, special hunts or free Atlas bucks, landmarks. We don't have that either. But you know, just from them adding something like this, that's really cool. So it makes me wonder about the other ideas, because I don't remember them saying anything about adding a stacking feature like this. Maybe they did and I just missed it, but the only thing that I knew about was all the stuff that they have here that hasn't been released yet. So it really just makes me think about certain other things that they potentially have planned. I'm excited about this, guys. So yeah, now the only thing that kind of still is a little crappy right now is the fact that my phone keeps going off. But so far you still can't cash out. You try to cash out, it says our cash out system will be ready in the next update. You know, you still can't cash out. So that's the only thing that kind of is trash right now, if I'm being honest. I think I'm just, at this point, I'm just ready to cash out. You know, I'm ready to see that actual money in my account. Seeing your money go up is cool, but once you actually see it in your PayPal account and then you cash it out or send it to your bank account, or you just leave it in your PayPal account, whatever. Once you actually start seeing that money that's in an account that you can actually use it on something, that's what I like, you know. I probably will take this money and I'll invest it back into here and just use my PayPal to pay for it, instead of just, you know, converting it straight up into Atlas bucks right here. I would just use my PayPal to pay for it. I know that I can convert it into Atlas bucks, but I don't want to do that just yet. I want to make sure that I actually can cash out. So yeah, definitely still waiting on that. But I did read on Instagram that they are planning on releasing the cash out feature fully in the next update. So hopefully we do get that soon. Not sure when the next update is going to be. I guess the other thing, I see that they did add connect a card, so you can earn free Atlas bucks when you shop using your credit card as well. So if you click on this, they have participating merchants, which is actually pretty cool. They have Jimmy John's, Moe's, Speed. Oh, they actually, I think they have 2 more on here. I don't think these 2 weren't on here before. Oh, okay, yeah, and they changed it because some of them give you more now, I think. I don't know if it was like that before. But yeah, they have Jimmy John's and Sonic. Not sure what this is. I'm not sure what that is either, but Southwest Grill and Speedway. So that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, this is definitely a Texas company and stuff, because I don't know. I feel like those are like popular Southern spots and stuff, but because I do live in Texas as well. So far, Not perfect, but definitely moving in a really good direction, guys. So this is pretty much like the update. I'm at $8.65. I'm thinking probably within the next maybe day or two I'll probably be at 10 bucks, so that'd be cool to see. They're definitely making some good progress. So I have a inclination now to open the app every single day again. So, you know, just the fact that you can get the free Atlas bucks and you can stack the boosts, I love that feature so much. That's such a convenient feature, man, because you can just stack the boosts and not have to worry about opening your phone every single hour perfectly on the hour to make sure you maximize your money. It's like now you can do that, and you don't have to open it every hour. You can actually wait 6 hours if you want to, or if you just want to make sure that you're constantly boosted, you can have 5 hours, but then just open it like every 3 hours or so before it's actually up, and you can still add more hours onto it, which is actually pretty cool. So you can essentially get to the point to where you're pretty much boosted 24/7, which really boosts your earning potential actually. So and so far my boosts and stacks have all been 30x, so that's still good. And yeah, that combined with being able to get the free plots and the free Atlas bucks, I'm loving this. I am, you know, and it's actually making me more inclined to share this with friends and family actually, because you know, this is something where if you just have the time, you know, you can just watch ads all day. And honestly, you can just somebody can just watch you can watch 50 ads a day, get 100 bucks, and you can get a plot a day, you know. And in just 1 month, you know, January, today's the 1st, right? In just 1 month, by February, you can have 30 plots. You know, 30 plots is not bad. That's before 30 plots was over $100 investment. You feel me? So that's actually that's not bad actually. So here's hoping Atlas Realty, please don't change this. This is awesome. This is a really, really good step in the right direction for the game, because now people can start earning money without putting in any investment, honestly. And to be honest with you, I'm almost a little salty because I kind of wish that I would have just did that, or just waited to hop into the app and just did that initially. And yeah, I mean, it's sure, like your money would have grown a little bit slower, but you literally would have everything would have been profit. You wouldn't have invested anything pretty much. And I don't know if they're like, if you first start out, I don't know if you have to at least make one purchase before you can do that or what, but either way, really good stuff, man. Really good stuff. So, but anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. And once again, guys, welcome to the new year. I wish everybody peace, you know, blessings, success, you know, and yeah, let's get it, you know, goals and aspirations, let's strive for them, you know, this year. You know, time is something that's not promised. Tomorrow's never promised, and you have to live your life knowing that. You got to make sure that you go after the things that you want to do and go after the goals that you want to achieve. You got to go for it. So I wish you guys all the, you know, success. Let's get it together, honestly. So I'm hyped, and once again, love you guys, appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the 500 milestone. That's actually pretty big for me. I'm sorry, but it is. You guys might feel like, dude, it's just 500, but for me, that's massive. And halfway to 1,000, over halfway to 1,000. Because last time I checked, we were at 527. So crazy, you know, over halfway to 1,000, man. So 1,000 is the next one. Who knows? Who knows when we'll reach there? But I'm hyped. So anyways, guys, you guys take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.